Hi there, Sanity Seekers. Thank you for joining me. The new year has inspired me to explore the theme of anew. With that, I'm making a monarch butterfly chrysalis light. It's surprisingly easy to do, trust me. Firstly, I printed up a free printable and used it as a template to paint a butterfly on some opaque paper. I'm using a rice paper, but baking paper would also work fine. I painted it with acrylic ink, as I always have it handy. It's vibrant and it's already watered down so that it's see-through. I bought these bottle lights from Temu. They are a fake cork with a battery inside and a string of LED lights coming out. I used clear plastic from some packaging to house the lights and make it into an elongated ball. I used clear tape to help me hold it into place and made sure that I left a nice little length of string light for the chrysalis to hang from. I have some cheap Halloween webbing which will be perfect for the butterfly silk. I'll tease it out, lay it over and wrap the silk around my light and up the string. Then I cut out my butterfly without being too fussy because we won't see any fine details on the edges or anything anyway. Lay the butterfly over the light, slightly folding the wings, and again layer and wrap the silk around our piece. I want to decorate the cork, so I've grabbed some natural mulberry paper and cut and painted them into leaves. I glued them on around the cork so they hang down and wound some jute twine around the top. Now we have a beautiful magical light up chrysalis. That was pretty easy to do. But let's take it a step further. I'm going to make another butterfly, but this time try it with blues and purples. I'm making another chrysalis, but this time much thinner. I have this pretty maple syrup bottle I've been using for beads, which I emptied and put some amethyst stone chips and moss in the bottom. My chrysalis fits, so I'll decorate it with more jute twine, some metal embellishments and a small amethyst. The blues are a little dark and don't light up as well as the orange, but all in all they look great and I'm really pleased with the end result.
That was cool.
I hope some of you will have a go at these. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. If you found value in my video, hit the like button and leave a comment. It really helps out my little channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.